School counselors are really the specialists when it comes to personal, social, and career development.
School counselors are an important part of the school community. They serve the teachers, they serve principals, and very importantly, they're consultants to families, all going around the student and forming a protective team and cheerleading squad to make that student be very successful as they move through school and into life.
The goal of our school counseling program is to train 21st century school counselors through a combination of experiences. They start off with the basics in human development. From there, we scaffold learning to include things like legal and ethical issues,
research, data, analysis, all that you will need as a school counselor.
Lots of courses on counseling theory, which helps them with their approach.
School counselors learn very early how to form collaborative relationships on behalf of students and their progress through school.
We also include competencies in diversity.
There's a lot of one-on-one, hands-on, a lot of group work.
We've all had the opportunity to break off separately into groups or one-on-one, taking turns practicing being the counselor and the client, and that's been interesting for me because when I play the role as the client, I'm able to see how helpful each of the techniques is.
A big part of it is supervised field experience, working with us and counselors in the field.
Our school counseling students gather 600 hours of internships in 3 sequenced events. Those internships are real-life internships based on student-centered issues and problems and promoting academic achievement of our students according to the ASCA national model.
I saw students, I would say, on an everyday basis, and I got to use different skills and I got to be in parent conferences. So that just prepares you for what's coming.
Our students are prepared to go in, collect data, identify problems that are data-based, develop interventions, implement those interventions, and measure their effectiveness.
And then we throw in a little bit of technology, and we have a well-rounded, effective 21st century counselor.
Our school counseling students have a 100% placement rate upon graduation, and many of our school counselors in the last couple of years have been placed well before graduation while they're still conducting their internships. In both of our majors, we have added the option for students to become dually licensed and certified. That means that by taking the additional credits in internships for the other specialty program, our students will now be able to graduate with a Master of Arts in Counseling that has prepared them to be both school and clinical mental health counselors. To meet the needs of graduate counselors who were either initially prepared in community mental health or prepared in school counseling, we have added certificate programs that allow these postgraduate counselors to come back, take selected courses under advisement, and then move into a specialty in the other area.
I believe we have the best professors here that have such awesome experience in both mental and school counseling.
My favorite part about being in this program is the smaller class sizes, working with a cohort of students who will move forward with me throughout the next 2 years.
It's been great knowing them, and they're going to be my friends forever. It's a great program. I think anybody would be happy to be here.